Guys, in this video, I want to make the HBX Transit better. I've made over $1 million worth of sales selling simple items on eBay, and I make over $100,000 every single year from one of my eBay stores just selling these simple items, and I can help you too. I've now helped hundreds of people set up their own successful eBay businesses. So if you want my help too, guys, I can share with you 3 things that you can do right now to help you get your eBay store off the ground. And I've also got a 100% free mini eBay course that you can click the link down below and you can sign up on that now. Fully free, 100% free, no credit cards, nothing like that, 100% free. It's my gift to you. So if you're interested in that, guys, if you want a better future, if you've got a crappy job and you want to improve in life, click the link down below, guys, kevtalbot.com/eBay42, and I'm going to help you there. All right, guys, enjoy the video. So I did a little review on this a little while ago, and actually for the price, it's pretty good. It's got a 2-speed gearbox, and people have said to me, which is better, the HBX or the WL Toys? Well, so far, I would say the WL Toys is, I haven't broken this yet, but this just seems like the plastic's a lot more flexible. So I'm guessing that this one's going to be a little bit more durable. But with more testing, we're going to see. This one is definitely a lot faster. This one here, though, has a 2-speed transmission. So in theory, it should be better for crawling and getting over obstacles. But the diffs on this are open, so as soon as you try and go off-road, it gets stuck because one wheel starts spinning. So I want to lock up the diff on this and then give it another go, and I reckon this is actually going to be pretty damn good at crawling with locked diffs. I'm just going to do the rear one for now, and then later on I may well lock the front as well if I feel like I need it. This one here, it's already got stiffer diffs, but this one's actually pretty fast, so I don't think I'm going to lock up the diff in this. I may do one day, I don't know. Give me a note in the comments, let me know what you think. What's going on here? Subscribe. So looking at it, to get it out, it looks like I've got to remove the screws around the outside here, because looking at the instruction, the axle is actually in 2 halves, and then I may have to take this cover off as well to get the diff out. So let's start taking it apart. Guys, it's got 12mm hexes, so I wonder if it's going to take the wheels and tyres from a bigger crawler. Oh, this could look pretty epic. Oh, guys, that looks pretty epic. Let's get a front one on there quick, just to have a look. Oh, guys, check that out. I mean, on full steering lock, it does rub a little bit on this body panel, so we might have to cut a little bit off. But I think I'm going to leave this for a future video, guys. I reckon with the locked up diffs, this could actually be super capable. So give me a note in the comments if you want to see that, guys. And also, I want to make it faster. I might try and run this thing on brushless at some point, and I might even make it brushless. So let me know in the comments, guys, if that's something that you want to see. How did I make this stuff so cheap, guys? I'm going to put a link down below where you can get one of these. Alright, so I have to remember which way round the diff came out of here, because if we put this back in the wrong way round, it's going to run backwards. A little mark here on the housing just to remind me when it comes to putting it back together. It's actually got a steel gear on there. A lot of these cheaper RCs come with plastic gears, and it's even got ball bearings. I'm impressed, guys, how well made this is for its price. Maybe it will take brushless power pretty well. We will see. Alright, that diff's all greasy, so glove time. So to lock up diffs, I like to use a silicone ear plug. And I know a lot of people, they put epoxy in there and fully lock them up, but the good thing is with the silicone, it still allows a tiny little bit of give. So it's going to stand the gears a little bit of a better chance to survive. I mean, absolutely, you could put epoxy in there and completely jam it up, but this is what I do, and it seems to work pretty well. Cram as much in there as possible. So, we're all back together again. So, it is almost locked. I mean, it's still got a little bit of diff action, but that's good because if anything locks up, if anything happens, it's still got a little bit of give there to help save the gears. Alright, let's take it out and give it a run. Straight through, no messing about here, guys. That lock diff really helping it out a lot. Alright guys, so I'm going to make a whole video dedicated to testing this HBX Transit out in the mud. We're going to try some hill climbs, we're going to try some different obstacles, we're going to do a bit of mud running and a bit of water running, and I'm going to put all that together in a separate video very soon. So for now guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. See you soon, bye. So, just before you go guys, make sure you check out some of my other videos on this page, and also check out the little link down below, kevtalbot.com/eBay42, where I want to give you a load of free tips to help you go and set up your own eBay business. Alright guys, see you soon.